Hello, I'm Akash. Now in this question, np3 is 1320 and we have to find out n. Let's get started. Okay, what is NPR? What is NPR? NPR is nothing but NPR. NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, n factorial by n minus r factorial. Fine. Now see, uh, NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So np3 will be n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. np3 will be n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. Fine. Now let's simplify this. So np3 will be nothing but listen guys, listen. There is a property. Okay, before this I'll just explain. See, n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. This is totally okay. Now how will you apply it? 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, n is outside, n came factorial ledu, n minus 1 factorial. Okay, now n minus 1 factorial, again we can write it as n minus 1 factorial, again we can write it as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Now n minus 1 doesn't have factorial now, only n minus 2 has. Okay na, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, n ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే n ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, ఇంక n మైనస్ 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. అలాగే n మైనస్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఏమవుతుంది, n మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. సో అదే నేను ఇక్కడ రాసాను, n ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అంటే n ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ n మైనస్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఎందుకు ఇలా, ఎందుకంటే మన డినామినేటర్లో n మైనస్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఉంది. ఐ రోట్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ లైక్ దిస్ బికాజ్ I have n minus 3 factorial in my denominator, so that I can cancel these two. So if I'll cancel n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, fine. Now what did they give? So n minus 3, I'm sorry, np3 is a product of 3 consecutive integers, of which n is the largest. You see, right, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. These are consecutive integers. అర్థం కావట్లేదా చూడండి, సపోజ్ n 11 అనుకోండి, 11 into 11 minus 1 10, 11 minus 2 9, so 11 10 9, so they are consecutive integers, right? So n minus 1 and n minus 2 are consecutive integers. So np3 is a product of 3 consecutive integers, of which n is the largest. n ఏ కదా లార్జెస్ట్, n తర్వాత n minus 1 వస్తుంది, n minus 1 తర్వాత n minus 2, ఎందుకంటే n కి n పాజిటివ్, n is a natural number. Okay, n is a natural number and it is definitely greater than or equal to 3. Right? So now in this question, okay, in this question, now if you are not understanding any part, it's fine, just try to follow the solution. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments box. They told that np3 is 1320. What is np3? np3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is 1320. So n into n minus 3 and n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, if I said something, please forgive me, wrong. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is this. Now 1320, I can write it as 12 into 11 into 10. 1320, I can write it as 12 into 11 into 10. Now you guys might ask me, sir, how did you get this idea? See, I told that this is product of 3 consecutive integers. So try to write this 1320 as, first how you can write it as 10 into 132, 10 into 132. Now 132 can be written as 11 and 12. So this gives me an idea that I'm getting 10, 11, 12. I wrote it in descending order, 12, 11, 10, because my LHS I have అంటే తగ్గుతుంది కదా, n minus 1 n minus 2, 12 11 10. So n is 12, n minus 1 is 11, n minus 2 is 10. Anything you equate, n is 12. That's it. Thank you.